English together.
Buying vegetables.
Hi, Angela. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What can I help you with today?
I want to buy some vegetables.
Oh, nice. What are you going to make?
I am going to make dinner.
That sounds good. What are you cooking?
I want to make soup.
Great. What do you need?
I need some carrots, please.
Here are some fresh carrots.
Great. I'll take 3 carrots.
Anything else?
Yes, I need 2 potatoes.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have onions?
Yes, I do.
I'll take 1 onion, please.
Anything else?
Yes, some tomatoes, please.
How many tomatoes?
4 tomatoes, please.
Is that everything?
Yes, that's all.
Your total is $10.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice dinner.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Now, let's learn some vegetable vocabulary.
Carrot,
Potato,
onion,
tomato.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.